Hey there friends, it is me, HLModTech, and today I've got something sweet that I am testing. It is a set of wireless microphones. They cost a little more than 200 bucks on Amazon, come with a sweet packet. All of your components can be stored out here. They can be powered by a USB power bank if you got one. They also get powered by AA batteries. You can take your pick. The nice thing, of course, about AA batteries is if you accidentally don't charge them, you can just buy AA batteries and you're back in business. Inside this pouch, you get transmitters and one receiver, so you can do two. It's got a trigger so it can switch between them simply. The setup is unbelievably easy. The first thing you'll want to do is attach the little belt clips. These let you use them on your belt so that they're easier to manage. There is just a little hole, and you stretch this just a tiny little bit to get it in the first one, and then you can pull it across to attach it to the other one. It does take a little bit of force, but as soon as you get the hang of it, they clip in really nice and easy, and you are ready to clip them and put them to work. They do have attachments so you could put them on a device, and then opening the batteries, notice this stays attached, which is super slick. Add your two AA's and you are in business. I'm only going to be using one because it is just me working here today. And now I'm going to take you over to the actual camera I'm recording you with. I'm going to record with a second camera so that you can actually see how it connects and how easy it is to get rolling. Alright friends, so here you can see just how tiny my recording studio is. I'm going to just spin this around. That camera is now showing my video production module area. You can see that all I did was plug into my phone's headphone in, and then the next time I record it says, hey, recording from the headphone in. And then right here, this is the transmitter, and this is kind of funny. It's built with this cool piece that attaches to a 35mm camera, or the mount that you would have maybe on a sweet video recorder. But by just screwing it into the back of my tripod that I've got, I'm able to clip this on top upside down, so it just hangs. I could also just move it over a little bit and actually clip it with the clip so it stayed more secure. That's all it took to get it set up so that I could record wirelessly with you and you get this cool high quality audio and actually get to see how it works. Long press to turn them on. You can change your channels. There's cool settings. The manual is super slick. It has all kinds of details that you could use if you're trying to be super fancy. But hey, I just wanted to get it up and working, and I'm going to tell you, I'm pretty impressed with where I'm at right now. Alrighty friends, so if you found the video useful, please hit that like button. If you've got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you're looking to make a purchase, I will put a link in the description. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a